What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video.
So check us out right after this. Alright, so the weekend is here and we are down at our campsite here at Chesapeake Beach, KOA, and it's a little late in the evening and it has been one day. So if you've heard the expression SHIT happens, it has happened to us today. So we'll start with, we both left work early, excited about the weekend. We're gonna come down to our site and have a good time. Got off very early, came down, got on the road. We did our little checklist, got on the road. We got 45 minutes on the road and realized I forgot the keys to the camper. Duh.
Now, I have my set, but his set has the keys to the basement and to the outside refrigerator, and
we just had to go back. Had to turn around, drive 45 minutes back home to pick up a set of keys and then get back on the road to come here. So we get about 6 miles away from the campground and I'm rolling, having a good time.
He's rolling, okay?
All right.
$162 worth of rolling.
All of a sudden, get pulled over by the sheriff. And what happens? I get a big old ticket for speeding. So that's how the day has gone so far. But luckily we're here safe, we're sound, everything is okay, and we're gonna make the best of the weekend.
Now hold on a minute. We went to the grocery store. Now again, you know, I normally shop before, but since it was only me and him coming down, we decided that we would go tonight. Well, now we're at the grocery store late and it looked like a hurricane hit it, and I swore they were having some sort of scavenger hunt. They had rotisserie chickens in the aisle, cheese in the floor. I'm like, what the heck is going on? So anyway, I want you to get a close-up of this because I was actually trying to make my little grocery list in the dark. So I'm gonna show you this in the dark that I'm writing. Hold on, I'm coming. What scratch is that? Now I'm writing in the dark. What is this even supposed to be? What is that?
She tried to make our grocery list in the truck on the way to the grocery store in the dark without turning the lights on. So another great idea for today. All right, so anything else you want to talk about that happened today?
No, I think that's about it.
All right,
that's enough.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about what we really wanted to show you today are our cafe lights that we have under our tent here. If you can hand me those. And it is the Enlighten Cafe Lights. And I'm gonna read this because I don't wanna mess anything up.
Where's your glasses, baby? Where's your glasses?
My good set of eyes. These are the Enlighten Cafe Lights. They are LED color changing cafe lights. They are indoor and outdoor lights, and they are 36 feet, and there are 18 bulbs to the string. Now you can also make these linkable up to 750 feet. The bulbs are shatterproof, so you never have to replace the bulbs. There's also a timer on it from 2 to 4 hours. You get multicolor effects, and they are dimmable.
Ooh.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Sorry.
They are dimmable, and there is a wireless remote. Hand me the remote, sweetie.
You got it.
So on the remote, you have your power button. There is a fade button, a dimming button. It is a strobe light. You can do one color or two colors, and you have the timer for 2 hours, and you have the 4-hour timer. So I'm going to show you the remote and show you the different buttons and features that are on the remote right now. Okay, so here we have the remote itself. You have the on-off button here, your fade button here, your dimming button, a strobe button. You have a 1-color or 2-color mode, 2-hour timer, 4-hour timer, and these are all your different colors that the lights can turn to. Plus you have written red, green, blue, and white. Okay, so another demonstration of these lights right now we're showing you is the strobe feature. So it's going from aqua to purple to white to red to green and so on. We're going to switch from strobe to fade, and in this mode they fade from color to color. Right now they're green, changing to aqua, and then changing to blue. So next what we're going to do is we're going to do one color that's on the remote, which is blue, and then you can change it to 2 colors. So we'll do blue and green. I'm not sure if you can see this, but half the lights are blue, half the lights are green. So now we're going to do 2-color red, 2-color red, and white. Red and white. So that gives you a quick description of the Brighton Cafe lights. Now we purchased these lights from Sam's Club, and I believe they were $79.99. I had been searching for lights similar to these on Amazon and other places online, and they were like $150, $130, and I just happened to be in Sam's Club and I saw these, and I called up Kim and I said, look, they have these lights, what do you want me to do? She said, get them. So we did purchase them, we had them under our tent, and we really enjoy them. We've gotten compliments from people here at the campground about these lights. So if you are interested in purchasing these lights, we'll put a link in the description down below.
And again, we have no affiliation with this company either. We're just telling you the things that we purchased that we actually like. And these lights are actually very durable as well. These are inside a pop-up tent. We've actually taken the top part of the tent off, or the canopy off itself, and left the lights wired. So they've been out in the rain and the storms.
Yes.
And
yes.
We've come back and put the pop-up tent back up along with the canopy, and they're still
going strong.
Yep, still good.
And like we said earlier, they are shatterproof bulbs, so you don't have to worry about replacing bulbs ever. It's a great purchase if you want to get these. And again, you can string these together to 750 feet.
Love it.
All right. So I guess what we're going to do now is, as we always say, we want to thank you for liking and subscribing, and we want to give a special shout out to Mr. Ray Barnwell, who is our 500th subscriber, and he's helping us. He helped us get halfway to our first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So thank you, Mr. Barnwell. We appreciate it.
Also, Miss Joanne Weeks, you rock.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much for all your help and support. We love you. I've never met you. We became friends through the Grand Design Deco, and thank you so much. I'm so grateful for all your help.
Yes, thank you so much. So again, we're going to say we hope you like and subscribe to our channel. Again, we're trying to reach our first goal of 1,000 subscribers, so hit the like button, subscribe if you can, and we're going to say once again, here's hoping that you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you, and see you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.